Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to choose your interests on Fiverr. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, then go to the third option at the bottom of the screen, and then near the categories you can see that in that interests option. Click on that and choose your interest for a better discovery experience, and for that click on the choose interests, and then you can see a list and you have to choose your interests like gamers, streamers, social media advertising, and then click on the save. And in this way, at the marketplace, you will see these kind of services. You can see that gamers section, streamers, social media advertising. So in this way you can easily choose between services, and you will not see irrelevant stuff on your feed. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.